Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and I am on a crawl space inspection in Viola, Delaware. And one of the things I want to point out is you see they have a temporary sub pump line coming out of this and going over into that drainage ditch. But if you look, this downspout, all the water is running onto this, and it hits the ground. And then it's collecting here, and then it saturates the soil and then turns around and goes underneath the footer and into the crawl space, and it's causing the crawl space to flood out. This is why you want to make sure that you have your downspout gutters going a minimum of 10 feet, but much further if you can, into either a storm catch basin or off somewhere far from your foundation. So you can see it's collecting and just building up here, and this pump is just going on non-stop. I see it's on right now, again when they see that line shaking. So I'm going to go into this crawl space and see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, and I'm back before I even get into the crawl space, and wanted to show you that before this got added, and it's causing water to flood over there. Before this extension got added, it washed away all the soil in this area, and again goes right underneath the footer and then into the crawl space. So having your downspouts extended properly away from your foundation is your first line of defense from bulk water entering your crawl space. It's not the only thing that you need to do, but it is a major one. So if you guys need your downspout extended properly, give HydroHero a call at 302-321-7077. Other than that, we are going to make our way over into this crawl space. I'm going to get suited up and we'll check out what we got going on down there. Okay, the first thing that I want to point out in this crawl space is this is not a proper sub pump basin. It's just a 5-gallon bucket. It's filling up super fast, so the sub pump's going to continually kick on and off really quickly. You see how much water is filling up in there really fast. So if you watch some of my previous videos, I talk about how these sub pump basins don't have any holes or perforations around the outside of it, so the water can't get in. So here they perforated the holes properly, so you can see how much water and how quickly it can get into the basin and be pumped out. So that part was actually done right. Of course, this has to be switched out to a real basin with a lid and everything else, but that is a big improvement just by having the holes there. One of the other things I want to show you, so this is a clay soil that is completely saturated, and when I say saturated, I really mean it. So watch this. All right, this is my foot, and I am about ankle deep right now trying to walk through this. You can see it is just super muddy in here. So there is a lot of water collecting around the footer and flooding this out. Major drainage issues here. So go see how much water's collecting right there. Go over. Try not to sink in here too much. Sure you can hear that kicking on. Look how far my foot, it's just like quicksand. So here's all the water coming in. I said this is a poured foundation. It's not coming through the block. There's no efflorescence. It's purely coming from underneath the footer. So this is the reason you need good interior drainage system. It's going to go all the way around here, all around the perimeter at the footer, hooked to real sub pumps, put underneath out the wall, underneath the ground on freeze relief, and then out on pop-up emitters, so this bulk water can be managed properly. Then once that's done, remediation needs to happen. You can see how much mold there is on the wood. All the insulation's got to come out now, and this needs to be encapsulated. So that's what I got for right now in this video. Again, if you're watching this on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, please drop us comments. And if you're watching this on Facebook, please hit the like and share button and like our page. Thanks so much. If you need any crawl space work done, call HydroHero at 302-321-7077 or find us on the web at hydrohero.com.